Hello, I'm Elizabeth Doherty Thomas, co-founder of the Doherty Relationship Institute. When we created Discernment Counseling as an online course for couples therapists, we felt strongly, and we now have validation from not only all of our trainees, but all of the referring professionals that send couples to discernment counseling for couples on the brink of divorce, that this is actually a new service to offer the individual or couple who comes to your door who fits the type of couple meant for discernment counseling. And the reason this is a big deal is therapists feel more confident, referring professionals feel more confident, and couples themselves who fit the type of client that we help in discernment counseling, they recognize this is a new service. This is not just another intense form of regular couples therapy. This isn't save my marriage individual therapy, that this is really, really unique and really, really powerful. And we know from couples when they scour the internet and they find discernment counseling, they take a deep breath of relief that yes, this is what we need. And it helps the couple and it helps the therapist dive right into this crisis situation where somebody is leaning out of their marriage, not sure they want couples therapy, and their spouse is really leaning in, really wanting to save the marriage. So if you aren't already trained, we encourage you to check out discernmentcounseling.com to see if this is something you want to offer to your couples or refer couples who are right fit to a colleague of yours.